Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, John. I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
Same here. I woke up early, but my brain is still sleeping. At least I have coffee.
Coffee helps everything. Oh, by the way, my name is Emma. I'm from the U.S.
And I'm John, also from the U.S. We're happy you're here with us today.
Yes. Today we want to talk about a very small word, but it's very important.
Very important. The word is are.
Are. Such a short word, but people get confused.
Totally. When I learned another language, small words were hard for me too.
Same. So don't worry, if R feels confusing, that's normal.
Okay, let's start slow. Very slow.
Sounds good.
So, first question, what is are?
Are is a verb. It comes from the verb to be.
Right. To be has different forms.
For example, I am, you are, we are, they are.
Good. So today we focus on are.
Yes, we use are with you, we, and they.
Let's say it together. You are.
We are.
They are.
Nice.
Okay, let's use real-life examples. Simple ones.
Okay, for example, you are my friend.
That's a good one. Or, you are tired.
Oh yes, I am tired.
Me too. Another one, we are at home.
Right. Or we are learning English.
That's perfect. That's what we're doing right now.
Exactly.
And for they are busy.
Or they are students.
Very clear. So are helps us talk about people and things.
Yes, it tells us how something is, or who someone is.
Now, let's talk about questions, because people ask this a lot.
Yes, questions with are very common.
To make a question, we move are to the front.
For example, you are happy becomes, are you happy?
Nice. Easy, right?
Let's do more. We are ready. Question, are we ready?
Are we ready?
Maybe, maybe not.
Another one. They are here. Question, are they here?
Perfect. So remember, are goes first in questions.
Now, let's talk about negatives. This is important too.
Yes. To make negative sentences, we add not.
So, you are not late.
Or shorter, you aren't late.
Good point. We often use contractions.
Contractions are short forms. They sound more natural.
Like, we are not hungry. We aren't hungry.
I like the short one.
Me too. They are not busy. They aren't busy.
Great. So you can say are not or aren't.
Both are correct. Use what feels easy.
Now let's share a small story. Real life.
Oh, okay. I like stories.
Yesterday I met my neighbors. They are very friendly.
That's nice.
Yes. I said, you are new here, right? And they smiled.
Good example. That's a real sentence.
Thank you.
I have one too. This morning, I texted my sister.
Oh yeah?
I asked, are you awake? She said, no.
That's funny. So are is great for questions in real life.
Exactly.
Now, a small mistake learners make. They say you is.
Ah, yes, that's very common.
But remember, you are, not you is.
Is for he, she, it. But that's another lesson.
Yes. Today, just remember, you, we, they, are.
Let's practice together. Say it out loud.
You are learning English.
We are doing great.
They are happy.
Nice.
Take a breath. You're doing well.
Yes. Learning English takes time.
And it's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly.
So let's finish with a simple thought.
Okay.
Are helps us connect. It helps us talk about people and feelings.
And when you use it, you sound more natural.
Don't rush. Go slow.
Practice a little every day.
You're not alone.
We're here with you.
And you are doing a great job.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye.